Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today I'll be showing you the 2018 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. Beautiful platinum hull color. And as we make our way back to the stern, we'll see it's powered by triple 350 horsepower Mercury Verado engines with joystick piloting. Joystick piloting is also integrated autopilot as well as skyhook. So make ease of challenging docking situations, and skyhook can enable you to have a little assistance setting up lines for docking or prospecting fishing spots. Immediately see the spacious cockpit for fishing, which easily converts for a day of entertaining. Do have the summer kitchen option with the Kenyan grill, fold out seating on the sides and transom, and also a 48-gallon live well. Making our way forward, see the very nice hardtop with portholes. We have a electronically actuated sure shade in the back to provide shade entertaining or fishing. Very wide walkarounds for the gunnels, plenty of rod holders. Moving forward, you'll see we have a bait prep station, sink, fore and aft facing seating with lounger insert, AC vents right next to the passengers and for the captain. Taking a look at the helm, plenty of room for in-dash electronics. Again, joystick piloting, very comfortable captain chair with flip-up bolster. So let's take a step below and check out the accommodations. One notable feature on this boat, it's very well known for, is the electrical actuated convertible berth. So press of a button, the table will raise, you have a dining area, or you can simply put it down, both sides will swivel in for a very comfortable sleeping area. To the port side, we do have the kitchen with refrigerator, plenty of storage, and microwave. Full wet head. Just an incredible amount of space in a cabin for a boat of this size. Very nice seating on the starboard side. Do have the television and distribution panel. And finishing off, very open and large aft cabin. Set up for seating now, easily convertible to a more than double size bed to accommodate four for overnighting. If you'd like information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. Give me a call to stop by, set up an appointment to see this boat in person, or set up a demo. Thank you very much. Hope to hear from you soon.